Most people think getting stiff is just a normal part of aging, but the truth is, it's not age that steals your mobility, it's lack of movement. Modern life keeps us sitting in chairs, staring at screens, and moving in the same limited patterns every day. Over time, joints stop exploring their full range of motion, muscles tighten up, and suddenly, simple things like bending, reaching, or twisting start to feel difficult. But here's the good news. Your body is incredibly adaptable. With the right movements, you can restore mobility faster than you think. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 powerful moves that can help undo lost mobility and get your body moving freely again. The first move is the deep squat hold. Humans are naturally built to squat deeply, but most of us lose this ability because we spend so much time sitting in chairs. To do this movement, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and slowly lower yourself into a deep squat. Let your hips drop as low as you can while keeping your heels on the ground. You can hold on to something if you need support. Stay here for about 30 seconds to a minute. This position opens your hips, ankles, and lower back all at once. It's one of the most powerful positions for restoring natural mobility. The second move is hip 90-90 rotations. Tight hips are one of the biggest reasons people lose mobility and experience lower back pain. Sit on the floor with one leg bent in front of you at a 90-degree angle and the other leg bent behind you at 90 degrees. From here, slowly rotate your knees from one side to the other without using your hands if possible. This movement restores internal and external hip rotation, something most people completely lose over time. The third move is thoracic spine rotations. Many people think their shoulders or neck are stiff, but often the real problem is the upper back. Sit or kneel and place one hand behind your head. Slowly rotate your upper body toward the ceiling, then bring the elbow down toward the floor. Focus on moving through the upper spine, not just the arm. This movement wakes up the thoracic spine and improves posture, shoulder mobility, and breathing. The fourth move is the ankle mobility rock. Limited ankle mobility affects your walking, squatting, running, and balance. To do this movement, step one foot forward into a half kneeling position. Keeping your heel flat on the ground, gently drive your knee forward over your toes. Move slowly back and forth for about 10 to 15 reps. This simple movement can dramatically improve ankle flexibility and reduce knee strain. The fifth and final move is controlled shoulder circles. Stand tall and extend your arms out to the sides. Slowly move your arms in large circles, focusing on controlled, smooth movement the entire time. Try to explore the biggest pain-free circle possible. This movement restores shoulder joint health and strengthens the small stabilizing muscles that keep the shoulder strong. When you combine these 5 movements together, something powerful happens. Your hips loosen up, your spine regains its ability to rotate, your ankles move freely again, and your shoulders feel lighter and stronger. In just a few minutes a day, you can start reversing the stiffness that builds up from years of limited movement. The key isn't doing these once. The key is consistency. Mobility is like brushing your teeth. It works best when you do it every day. Spend 5 to 10 minutes practicing these movements, and your body will slowly begin to move the way it was designed to. Because the truth is, mobility isn't just about flexibility. It's about freedom. Freedom to move, to play, to train, and to live without constant stiffness or pain. Start with these 5 moves today, and your future body will thank you.